Here I was working on 2012 Hyundai Sonata with this driver airbag code 1346 B1346, and it was pretty simple diag. It wouldn't honk, and it only honk on when you turn it to the side. And then I looked at the resistance for the driver airbag, and the first one said it was failed, and the second one was okay. And what I was seeing was a lot of people were saying if you want to see if it's the clock spring, you want to turn it and see if the resistance changes. But for me, it wasn't changing at all. It just said failure. This is the OEM part number. But the reason I make this video mostly is because after I did the job, I got this code B1482, and this was the resistance after I changed the clock spring. So what ended up happening was I had to take apart the airbag again, which isn't too bad. It's just 3 tabs. And what I found was I left one of these connectors not pushed in. The connector was connected, but I didn't push in the tab. And then once I did that, put everything back together, these were my new resistance values. And I have the specification right here, which is supposed to be more than 1, less than 7.3 if you need that. So that's why I set the code. And I'll just provide a little bit more information on this code if you don't have the same problem as I do. I was doing some research online, and I saw some text saying that sometimes it's just the connectors themselves, so what they have to do is clean them up and add some type of spray or silicone to make them connect better. I don't know what exactly it is. That wasn't my problem, and that's not usually something I do. Usually I would replace the connector if it's just not making good contact. And the clock spring does come with new connectors for the airbag, so that could also fix your problem. Well, in this case, the original problem was just the clock spring that was bad. And here are more resistance values to compare to the other airbags in the car. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.